Hello everyone, hello, it's your one and only Lady Jail. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first person to know. If you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, you know, this saga things, these things will just the happen ever since for social media. So today, now I want to shook my mouth put. Because enough is enough for some bloggers. I know just really like, I don't understand them. I don't know what they wrong with them. Because if I just see some kind things, whether not because of a YouTube or me, I don't really know what they make them they do all those things. Because this is not pass. In fact, it don't pass Jeremy. When I understand my people. Because all those kind of things before, you say me you not shook man. But the thing, you go come the thing will come there too much. At least make we they do things right for this social media. And the funny part of it, we the adults now we the even they kill ourselves past. Now we they eat ourselves past. Why? Why it be like that? Why it be say they really talk and say umba egbane do? Then they really they happen so because me I don't understand. My people, how can we the adults we not go feel corporate? If something just happen, we'll just carry and go like say the thing not go come down again, my people. Me, I don't understand. I want to shook my mouth for this Vera way happen. When everybody just they talk or social media not rest again, the thing just come be like say like she do one kind of thing where be say the people never do before. Like seriously. Me, I don't understand, my people. Okay. This Vera, you know, that man. In fact, I don't know what I go call him. Really, that man when he born for way there Africa, I don't know what I go call you. You know, you say Vera don't they bring money for now. You know they do this one. You know they bring money for now. May they take care of your children, all those things. You know, I can't reason I'm again in the other side. So you not feel work. Me you take care of your children. This man, you not feel work. Like seriously. Okay, let's assume say Vera not day. Say Vera or maybe not the European now. So you for not take care of those children. Like seriously. Because we before corner man to take care of children. Maybe the woman feel support, but the way you can just take the team, they able to ask you, say not bring money for now. Like seriously. Wait till this man, your hand, you get weak low for hand. Or something they wrong with your hand where you not feel work or leg they pain you. You get stroke for leg. Like seriously, you not go feel work. Where be everybody just they attack Vera. Now so Vera not they bring money for your children. This man who call not they attack the man, so now don't want to pay me inside. This man not feel work. The man not feel work. Me no understand. They kill the man and say make it not work. Eh? The man weak low, he cash in hand, we not feel work. We be say everybody want just finish Vera. Now so Vera not bring money. Now so Vera do this. Now so Vera abandon your children. Now so Vera do this one. Everybody want just finish Vera. Like seriously. They not talk to the man. They not talk to the man at all. Nobody they talk to the man. Everybody want just finish him. Why be say if you not get problem for this YouTube or a social media, me I don't understand. Why be say now the next thing that the person husband and go carry come out. The husband get what he do now. Now the husband I talk to now. It doesn't mean say women not feel quarrel again for social media. Any small quarrel go just happen now. You don't go bring the person husband come out. Una go the five children picture one break come out. Like seriously. Small pikin not go do small pikin something. Mature not go do mature something. That is the thing it really like the thing they surprise me sometimes. Like me no understand. The next thing when we go just see now husband now go the warlord the map picture bring a come out. Una begin to insult the husband. Okay, see Vera won't just happen that day now. They even bring Vera husband every rich. They go bring the papa of the man. Even the man wife or Oyibo when they marry. And the Oyibo pikin they go bring and come out. Like seriously? What they go concern Oyibo for his side? What they concern the papa for his side? Now Vera get problem with you now. Now deal with Vera. Wetin concern the husband and the husband papa for inside now? Me, I no understand. Now so the thing you say happen that day. Now so now go bring the husband and come out too. I don't mean that is I don't understand. Why people say this small thing go just happen for social media? Now the husband una go dey bring come out. Wetin make una dey do this thing? So una not feel quarrel with the women who una get problem with. Now the husband now go the warlock come out. Una go they find the children for his side. Eh? Me I not really like I don't understand. Eh, my people. The thing there, it go just tire me. You go get quarrel with somebody for social media. The next thing they'll go bring you, they'll go they find your husband picture where they want bring come out. They'll go they find the pikin picture where they want bring come out. What they concern pikin for his side? Okay, all they carry Vera pikin, they carry all the children, they bring her come out. They say make people they call they contribute for them. Maybe they do this, maybe they do that. Eh? Me I don't understand. The Vera told us say Mona help so that make he gets a contribution for social media for your children. Me I don't understand though, really. Because this thing it they really like it tire me. If I just see the thing for social media, I was now view those people they look for have been waiting. Vera told say no, if you take care of your children. Vera it don't clear the hair yesterday. I watched him when he say he not they send money because of waiting the man they do at that time. He said that he cost some way he stopped to the same money. He said because the man can't shop the money. He said that he cost some. Eh? Yeah, that is any small thing go happen. The next thing that is me. I'm not gonna just really like what's it going to happen for this world. Me, I'm not gonna understand. I've been at this virus where they say the apple, so then they come they enter some of their head. Where be say any small thing go just happen now, husband they go they find. When I don't talk am now say him go the same money now. Go they give them say because the man they shop the money because that man is too lazy. He's too lazy. How many years you did where you not fit take care of your children? Where they wait for Vera? How many years you did this man? How many years you did we don't fit take care of your children? You not feel work? You not feel work if now farm go they do. This thing even they surprise me say how Vera tell even know you say you this old man. I even believe say for me the reason I say now just you just that girl because you look and say now small girl now you just am now just now it go be because Vera not feel just open go follow that kind of man. Lazy man you not feel work. All of them just they attack Vera. My own concern for us now the children won't just they bring come out like that. It's not good now. When I saw now one help, but you must still bring the children out. It's not good. It's not that good. Vera children, you're full social media, you're full everywhere. It's not good. Eh? Okay, his sister when she bring the things come out now, his sister doesn't talk and now say, in with Vera now they don't settle. Vera don't beg his sister. They don't settle. She don't talk how she will they send the money now go they give them. Say no one make money enter the man hand. So they don't talk him down. So now we carry the thing now so no one rest for the matter. Say una will continue because una they look for view. Me I not just like I don't really like I don't understand. Something happen. The person will get problem say I don't want again. Una rest. Una go dey insult the husband. Una go carry mama to join her. Una go carry children join her. Like seriously, my people. Like seriously. Eh? We the beneath for that matter. We supposed to they cooperate. How many times una don't see say Ghana people that they quarrel anyhow? How many times una don't see Igbo say that they just they do the way we they do so? Maybe we see they give ourselves respect. So that make others respect us too. The funny part of it, even the mature one, I go they behave like small pikin. That is who you go even come advice for the social media. The one who's supposed to behave mature, now go they behave like small pikin. The one who's supposed to behave, that is me. I don't understand really. You don't go even know the one where you want to come to say now this one even good for his side. The one where you go able to say that it's good, now go come even worst. Eh? I don't just understand. Who don't know Una know the funny part. If you don't get quarrel with somebody for social media, who not even knows you, now he go lie past and he knows you. He knows you. Now so you do this, now so you do that. But I say no know you. He don't know anything about you. But now he go come talk, say, I know him. No manner. He don't follow different boys. He don't do this one. He don't do that one. But I say no know you for anywhere. He never see you before, but you can't lie. Say now so you even what you not even know about yourself, you go lie say you know you. My people, I beg. This Vera always happen. At least she don't clear the hair. Now she don't talk say she will take care of her children now. Since that man don't lazy, he laziness don't enter his head, so he not feel work again. Now you send Vera Europe where you look for money. You this old man will not feel work. Can't you walk? All your mates they walk. All your mates they walk. Go and walk and take care of your children. Go and walk. You this old man. Go and walk. Leave Vera alone. Gosh. This one, I know because she even say her children. I think I they listen to one that the way they say the girl is selling children. He selling your own children. 3 children. Now she look for pikin and she not see. He own children is seller. But Vera not sell you now. All of them want your shop and roll. What about the one where sell you? What one I want to do that one now? What one I go to not be the judge for social media? What one I go do that one now? We sell the children. Vera not sell you. At least they are alive. You go take care of them. So what you want you tell all those bloggers be say? If you not get problem with anybody for social media, it not concern the husband. When they bring their husbands, they come out again, or their children, it's not good. They're the big past things now. You will get quarrel with somebody, now your husband will go to find when they want to bring come out. They'll put lie where the man what they do, they'll put that for your head. Let it see you happen that day. That's so that they carry lie when not waiting no happen. They say that it happen. That they call the husband many names. When they do and make the man leave the woman and be waiting, me I don't understand. You should take it easy now. Not just social media things. You just can't turn another thing. When I also on the social media, so now the advice person. Now another thing I will come to see. Not be advice again. You will say this one will say get foundation where they when it the help children. You go reach time when they help children and insult you, they insult they will come to see. Who go like maybe say you want help picking you they insult that they do this one, they do that one. Like seriously. Who you want help go they different. That is I don't understand. The one where they pay me instead, they're gonna bring waiting be say the man don't even know one or two, they'll carry up for your head. More than all the big people husband come out again for social media. It's not good. It not concern husband. You with the woman I get problem. Deal with it. Quarrel with the woman. Do anything you want to do with the woman. But the man, leave her alone. Leave the children. If you bring your own, come out say, hey. Now you're so okay, man. Bring it. After as far as you not bring your own. So what you concern you? What you concern you? When I stop to do all those things, it's not good. It's not that good now. It's not that good. Thank God, Vera saying, in with this start, they don't settle. Not my happiness, they don't settle. So now she cannot take care of her children. Don't be say people go to look for people down for say you want bring a China down. You want me to collect your children for Germany. Like seriously, if they collect the children, are you going to be happy? Say they collect Vera children. You there happy? Say they collect your children. Say they deport and go Africa. What it be your gain? You know good. You will say you want me to bring you China down, but she enter us. Vera, I know when you go to enter us. This one na social media, na YouTube. So nobody go fit tell us make she enter us. When he never reach time when she want to enter, nobody go fit tell her. So my people are beg. We be Bini, we be adults. You not supposed maybe they shop each other, maybe they kill each other. Not today this world where person will say he want kill himself for. Not today, nothing. The time where person not sit play like go to the quarrel. This thing with this sickness we full everywhere. Now we're supposed to pray, say God, We don't know how this thing take come now. Me will not even me will not smell them. Now here will take the hear them. Now be the prayer we supposed to pray now. But when I use then as so quarrel whoa. If you wait the quarrel now tomorrow now you not gonna wake up because you can't reach where God. The way you tell them, it's not a quarrel. When you quarrel, the next day you not come again. You not quickly confess your sins before you go. What do you can't tell God? I beg. What will take am easy? What will take am easy? Now they give person anything for his side now. Gosh. I beg my people, and thank you everybody. I beg anybody who see this video, make you share and make you reach everybody, so that make me many people will learn. This multi quarrel, you have start to bring person your husband come. What concern husband beside social media saga? I beg thank you everybody. Take care. Until I come your way next time, remember your one and only Lady J. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share this video for me. So anything what you think about this video, you where they watch me now, leave your comments for the comment section. Thank you. Bye.